Hello guys, welcome back to algebra class, and this time I will go over question number 13 through question number 18. This one is very easy questions as well, and only thing that can be challenging is question number 15 because this one you might have to use you cannot really use Desmos. I mean you can, but I don't recommend. So it says, let's see how we do these questions. Which of the following equation models the function below? So we want to find something that looks very similar to this. When you do this type of questions, I strongly recommend you to find the vertex first and the one of this point. So my vertex in this case is going to be 1, comma 3. And I'm going to choose one more point. It's going to be 0, comma 4. And then negative 2, comma 0. Okay. I mean, you can choose other points as well if you want, such as, I think that's the only point that we can kind of choose because other points are like things. And see which one of these has that point. Again, we have a 1, comma 3 as a vertex. You don't want to put every single one of these into Desmos, so let's figure out which one is 1, comma 3. First one is negative 1, comma 3. Second one is a 1, comma 3. Third one is a 1, comma 5. Fourth one is a 3. Oh, well, I'm lucky. I don't have to put everything because I got it right away. But normally what you have to do is you gotta put this one in Desmos. I'll put negative 1/3 x minus 1 squared plus 3. And in order to check if it is the same graph, I actually have to check something else. Like, do you see I have a 4? Oh, I made a mistake. I'm sorry here. It's not 0, comma 4. It's a 4, comma 0. 4, comma 0, and then negative 2, comma 0 like this. So that's what I really had to do in order to double check. I'm pretty sure question number 14, you will have two answer choices that has the same vertex. So you have to figure out which one is like same thing. Like in my opinion, finding 0, comma 2 is gonna be the sound right with the vertex. Okay. All right. Question number 15. It's error analysis. Luis, we're gonna do it together because I know you're just watching it. You're gonna do this. You can do it. Okay. I'm pretty sure I put names like Allison and Lali. Okay. Let's see. Luis is converting a standard form of the quadratic equation into the vertex form, but made a simple mistake. Where did he make his first mistake? So Luis is trying his best. I know Luis, but it's not a big deal. You want to change this one into the vertex form, and you're trying it by hand. What do we do first? First, we set up the parentheses. Well, and then you're going to take out, divide each number by 3. Because that's the number in front of x squared. So I'm going to have 3x squared minus 24 divided by 3 is going to be 8 plus 49. So first one is very good, so it's a check. Keep that in mind. Most of the time, your first mistake happens usually in step number 2 or 3. Sometimes 4, but most case 2 or 3. After that, what you have to do is you have to take this middle number, which is negative 8, and always divide by 2 and then square it. So negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4, and negative 4 squared is equal to positive 16. And what you have to do is you have to put this number into here, like plus 16 minus 16. And next step is you are always taking this number out of this parenthesis, but when you're taking this one out, you gotta multiply this one by 3. That's a common mistake that I see all the time because people usually forget about this. So negative 16 times 3 is gonna be negative 48, I believe. Yeah. And what you have to do is, now you gotta factor this inside. So do you see 16 on the top, negative 8 on the bottom, negative 4, and negative 4 will give you this option. So it's gonna be 3x minus 4 x minus 4. And 49 minus 48 is going to be plus 1. So you have 3x minus 4 squared plus 1. So clearly it doesn't make sense, but let's see where he made a first mistake. Did he do good here? Yeah. Did Louis did good here? No. What's his mistake? Do you see negative 16? When you're taking this one out of this parenthesis, you gotta multiply by 3. So that has to be negative 48. Like this. So that's the first mistake that Louis made, which is step number 3. Well, that's about it. Allison, I think you can do question number 16. And Sid Lally, you can do 17. This one is very easy. You guys can do this one by yourself. If you have any question, just let me know. I'll go over it one by one, okay? Yeah, I'm pretty sure in the scratch paper, you may not have enough space, so you will have to use some scratch papers, okay? Now, number 18. Which of the following is equivalent to the equation below? So it's the opposite. Like, well, what you do is you put this one into decimals. You gotta put this one into decimals and see which one matches. You can do that, or you can also find the vertex, which is 6, 2, and see which one has a 6, 2 as a vertex as well. Normally, that's what happens, but not in this case, because no matter what you do, you might have to put every single one of this. So, yeah. You cannot even cross out anything. Well, I'm sorry. We actually have to put everything down here. But it's okay. First one is, nope. 1/3 x squared minus 4x plus 14. Oh, wait. Gotcha. Do you see? It matches. So we got the answer easily like this. So that's about it in this video. Again, when you have questions, just let me know. I'll go over this one with you guys. That's about it, guys. Hope you guys do well on the DOL. See you guys. Bye.